How to download and install Anydesk on your Windows 10 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to install Anydesk on your PC or laptop, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, so here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for Anydesk download and simply click on this first link over here, which will take you to this interface. So now simply tap on this download now button over here, and you should be successfully downloading your Anydesk application. And as you can see, my Anydesk application has already been downloaded and installed. So I'll simply show you the process once again. So simply double tap on .exe file and click on run. And when you click on run, it will automatically open this, and you can basically allow everything from over here and just click on accept and update. So in my case, it's showing update because I've already installed it. So in your case, you can simply tap on the accept button and proceed with the on-screen instruction. And once you're inside here, just ignore this screen, and simply try to open the file once again. That is the installation file. And once you successfully install everything by following the on-screen instruction, you can simply come over to the start menus and simply open up Anydesk application to start using it. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.